Hello everyone. Quick disclaimer. This video does have processing of animals. So if you're not able to watch something like this, please turn it off at this time. These are chickens that me and my wife have raised and we are processing. They are now 8 weeks old. So here we go. We weighed all the chickens. The average weight was around 7 pounds unprocessed. So 8.4. Very first processing of chickens. Of course, these are hugging cones that we made ourselves. Thanks to YouTube. Thank you guys. Got a chicken plucker. We got a brawler, a dipping station. Got a cooler, some bowls for the entrails, a table and a cleaning station. Hey guys, me and my wife did this ourselves. And I want to tell you how impressed I am with her. She was a little nervous to start off with. But once we got started, she rolled with it. She was like a pro. This is both our first time. And there was a couple of mistakes made. But other than that, I mean, we watched enough videos, did enough background to where we were able to pull this off with minimum issues, and I'm very impressed with it. Both from the inner city, no country people here. We never saw this done in person or done it ourselves, so I'm very impressed with her. Alright guys, this is my first bird that I am processing through. Okay, took me a little longer to do the first one than the rest. We moved right along after this one. We had 19 birds, and me and my wife alone was able to do 19 birds in about 3 hours. So, wasn't a bad process at all. Okay. I say, if you got an opportunity to try this, that you should. Give you a lot more respect for where your food come from. So we got all the equipment, and this is something that we plan on doing as a part of our life for the rest of our life, as long as we can anyway. And it was an enjoyable experience, I would say. There was a little bit of nerves on my wife's part before, but she is on board now. So, yeah. For you will have way more respect for the food that you eat. And what I'm so proud of my wife at is that she was primarily the one who fed them and watered them every day. And she handled it like a champ. So when I say inner city, I mean very inner city. We heard about this stuff. We knew it went on, but neither one of us actually done this process before. It's a very humbling, special experience. So here we are. I cut off a lot more than what they normally would do in the store because they're trying to keep the weight up. But I want the chickens to be ready for me to cook when it's time for me to cook them. So I took off what I needed to. All right. So we got them all cleaned up. I think we had 19 birds. And it took us a total of 3 hours. And it was just us two. So we did really, really well.
Fried chicken.